Yeah, so finally we are back in the gym, guys. And I think this will be a perfect opportunity for me to show you guys how I train. Normally, I train like 3 days, and then I take 2 days rest, and then I repeat that 5 day cycle. So today, on first day, we will train chest and back, and mostly I'm gonna focus on upper chest and mid chest, and when it comes to back, lats, and then arms. That's what I do on first day: chest, back, and arms. So let's do that. But first, we gotta go get warmed up. So let's do that, and then we'll cut back to some chest variation. So since I'm training after a long time, almost like after 1.5 months, I'm not gonna lift heavy because yeah, for first 1 week or maybe something like that, I'm gonna have to go easy. Let's do 20. I have to be careful with whatever variation I do and whatever weight I do because my shoulder it hasn't completely healed yet. But yeah, I'm just going crazy, not coming to the gym. Two, three, four, five, six, seven. Okay, now let's take lighter weight and do a drop set. 15. Okay, that's enough. Yeah. Now I'll wait for 2 minutes and then I'll do another set and then we'll be done with this variation. So whenever I train after a long time, I try to go not too too hard, and also I don't try to lift too heavy because I don't want to get an injury or something like that, especially when I'm coming back from an injury. So I'm just gonna lift a lighter weight, but with the same formula though. First set heavy, and then immediately drop, and then wait 2 minutes, and then do another set with the weight like between the drop set and the heaviest one. Like that's how I choose my weights. So yeah, okay. Let's do 17.5. Okay, for a drop set I did 15. The heaviest was 20. So the middle weight 17.5 for the final set. 2, 5, 6, 3. Come on. Okay, that's enough. So now, yeah, pec deck immediately. So on the first set, I always try to just hold it. So yeah, Now let's do reps. Okay, one more set exactly the same way. So let's do it. Two, three, four, five, six. Okay, now let's do lat pull downs. I'm not sure if I can do them because when I tried to do them with a wide grip last time, I couldn't do it because my shoulder it was in too much pain. But I was able to do close grip though. I'll see. First, I'll check if I can do with the wide grip. If I can't, then I'll switch to close grip. Yeah. So let's go do that. నాకు కనిపించట్లేదు అప్పుడప్పుడు. Okay. Let's not go too heavy and see if I can actually do this. Okay, there is some pain, but okay. Okay. Let's do a drop set. 20 should be enough. Oh, I'm doing such lighter weight. I can already feel all of the muscles which I'm training. They're getting super tired, and yeah, that's what happens after training after a long time. That's why it's very important to not to go too hard on the first session, which we do after a long time. So yeah, let's do another set, and then we'll be done with this variation. Okay. Now the final set. Let's do 30. Oh God. Okay. Now let's do dumbbell bench press. I mean flat bench press. Yeah. So flat bench should be easier than the incline bench. So let's do 25 here. Let's go a little bit heavier. Okay, I can feel some pain, but let's see. Okay, now let's do lighter weight. Let's do 20 kilos. Okay, this is better. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's do 15 as a drop set. Come on, 2 more. Okay, one more set with 17.5 and then we are done with this variation. Okay, now for the final set, 17.5. 17.5. No. 17.5 is all over way here. Okay, come on. Let's try and get 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now let's go do single arm lat pull downs. Yeah, okay. Let's do 50 kilos. Now drop set. Drop set 30. Okay. Eight, 9. Okay. One more set. Okay. No. Ah. Let's do the other arm. Okay. Okay. Now drop set. Okay, one more set and we're done with this variation. Okay, now for the final set, let's do 40. Okay, okay, guys, I forgot the name of this variation. It's pullovers, right? I don't know. I don't exactly remember it. So I always like to finish my back workout with this variation. So let's do it. Okay, let's do one more set and then we will be done with this back and chest workout. I also have arms to do, but I'm not going to record it because the video might get too long, and I'll record my arm training on some other day and then I'll post it again. And also for arms, all I'm going to do is some dumbbell curls and some reverse grip and some hammers, and then for tricep, the straight bar push down and then overhead press, and yeah, that's it. That's all I'm going to do for arms. I'm gonna record them some other time and I'm gonna post it next time when I do the same exact day. So for today, it will be just chest and back in the video. So yeah, I'll just do one more of this and then I'll train arms and then I'll do some push down and then we're done for the day. Okay guys, let's see how we are looking after 1.5 months of core training, and today was my first session. I did some chest, back and some arms. Now let's see how we're looking after 1.5 months. Definitely lost some muscle and inflammation is gone. So we're done with the first day of my 5-day cycle. So I train for 3 days in a row and then I take 2 days rest. So that's my one cycle, 5 days. And then I just repeat that 5 days. So today was the first day. We are done with it. Tomorrow, day 2, we will train legs. So, peace.